Most plumbers think social media is for people posting brunch photos and arguing about movies, not for someone who fixes burst pipes at 2 in the morning. But here's the twist. Your customers are absolutely on social media, scrolling right now, and the plumber who shows up in their feed first is the plumber who gets the call. Think about the last time something broke in your house and you had no idea who to call. You probably asked a neighbor, searched Google, or just hoped someone in a Facebook group had a recommendation. And that is exactly where plumbers need to be living. The beautiful irony of plumbing content is that nobody thinks they want to watch it until they do. A short video of water shooting sideways out of a wall gets views faster than most cooking tutorials because disaster is genuinely fascinating. TikTok and Instagram Reels are basically free advertising if you know how to use them, and the formula is almost embarrassingly simple. Film the problem, film yourself fixing it, add a caption like, "This is why you don't ignore that dripping sound," and suddenly you have content that educates and entertains at the same time. Facebook is still where homeowners in their 30s, 40s, and 50s are hanging out, and neighborhood groups are basically a goldmine hiding in plain sight. When someone posts, "Does anyone know a good plumber?" you want your business name to already be familiar to the people in that thread who are about to recommend someone. Before and after content is the closest thing plumbing has to a superpower on social media. A clogged drain that looks absolutely horrifying followed by a sparkling clean pipe gives people a satisfaction hit that they will share, save, and remember when their own drain starts gurgling. You do not have to be a film major or own a camera crew to make this work. Your phone, decent lighting, and a willingness to talk to the camera like you are explaining something to a friend is all you actually need to start. One of the biggest mistakes plumbers make is treating social media like a billboard, just posting their phone number and a stock photo of a wrench and calling it a day. People follow accounts that teach them something or make them laugh, not accounts that feel like a classified ad from 1995. Here is something genuinely underrated. Showing what not to do is some of the most watched content in any trade. A video titled "The 5 Things Homeowners Do That Make Plumbers Want to Cry" is going to get more clicks than "We offer competitive pricing and quality service." Consistency matters more than perfection, and this is the part most people abandon too early. Posting 3 times a week for 2 months and then disappearing is like planting seeds and then walking away before it rains. You need to stick around long enough for the algorithm to start working in your favor. Reviews and testimonials can be repurposed into social content without being awkward about it. Screenshot a 5-star review, design it with your logo on a free app like Canva, post it with a line like, "We showed up at midnight and apparently that is still not too late to make a good impression," and you have turned one happy customer into a story that other people actually want to read. Local hashtags and location tagging are small details that most plumbers completely skip, and they are leaving visibility on the table every single time. When you tag your city and use hashtags like Austin Plumber or Dallas Home Repair, you are telling the algorithm exactly who should be seeing your content. The goal of all of this is not to go viral. It is to be the name people already recognize when their water heater decides to retire at the worst possible moment. Trust is built slowly and in public, and every helpful post is a tiny deposit into that trust account. Social media will not replace referrals or word of mouth, but it will extend your reach into neighborhoods your van has never even driven through. And in a business where proximity and reputation are everything, that kind of quiet visibility adds up faster than you might expect. If you want to learn more about building your plumbing business and finding the tools that help you grow, check out our links in the description.